They don't really miss the loudest one in the room. They miss the one who changed quietly, the one who stopped explaining, stopped chasing, and just started rising. At first, they're confused by your distance. Then they feel the weight of your absence, and eventually it hits them. They'll never meet that version of you again. That's what happens when you walk the Stoic path. You don't disappear to punish anyone. You step back to heal. Here are 7 ways people start missing you when they see who you've become, and how to build that version of yourself step by step. 1. You've found peace in silence. You don't rush to fill every pause. You've learned to sit with the stillness and let it speak for you. Your silence used to mean distance. Now it means presence, power, calm control, Stoic practice, master the pause. Delay your first reaction. Let your mind speak, not your emotions. Write what you're feeling. Don't always say it. Start each morning with 5 quiet minutes. No phone, no music, just breathe. The nearer a man comes to a calm mind, the closer he is to strength. Marcus Aurelius. 2. You don't chase. You attract. You don't beg for attention anymore. You've stopped trying to prove your worth. Now, your energy enters the room before you even say a word. And the ones who overlooked you, they start watching, wondering, missing. Stoic practice. Drop the need. Build a routine around your mind, body, and goals. Let purpose replace the chase. Don't attach to outcomes. Needing less is real power. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things he has not, but rejoices for those he has. Epictetus. 3. You respect your time, like gold. You're no longer available for every distraction. You've stopped entertaining drama and small talk. You protect your time now, and people feel that shift. You're not avoiding them. You're just busy building something they can't see yet. Stoic practice. Guard your hours. Write down what drains you. People, habits, thoughts. Cut it, delegate it, or walk away. Block time for yourself. Treat it like a meeting with your future. Nothing is more precious than time, yet nothing is less valued. Seneca. 4. You don't argue. You walk away. You used to explain, defend, try to be understood. Now, you know that truth doesn't argue. It just is. You leave the noise where it belongs, behind you. And your silence? It says more than your words ever did. Stoic practice. Protect your peace. Ask, is this conversation helping me grow or draining me? Don't get pulled into other people's storms. When triggered, pause, breathe, leave. That's strength. It is not necessary to answer every question, nor to correct every error. Marcus Aurelius. Chapter 5. You've grown past old roles. You were the helper, the fixer, the one who always showed up. But now you've outgrown those roles, because saving everyone else was costing you. Stoic practice. Rewrite the role. Ask yourself, am I doing this out of guilt or intention? Let others carry their own weight. Step into roles that reflect who you are now, not who you used to be. To be everywhere is to be nowhere. Seneca. They don't miss the version of you who was always available. They miss the one who made them feel important, because you always showed up. But you've changed. You've become calmer, clearer, stronger in your silence. They'll feel it. They'll wonder where you went. But you didn't vanish. You just elevated. Let them miss you. You didn't lose them. You finally found you. And now, you move with purpose, not permission. You protect your peace like it's gold. You're not cold, just focused, not distant, just disciplined. You didn't walk away from them. You walked toward yourself.